This is presented by HBS Connect, Japanese freight forwarder in Japan.
Hello, this is Eno. Today I'll be bringing you the mid-September 2025 logistics news. We'll cover a wide range of topics from AI in the shipping industry to global port congestion reviews and next-generation container ship fuels. Let's get started. AI to transform the future of shipping, from fleet planning to autonomous vessels. The adoption of AI in the shipping industry is accelerating. In 2024, the AI market size reached about $4.3 billion, and it is expected to grow nearly 40% annually through 2030. Shipping has always been a data-heavy industry. Vessel routes, weather, cargo loads, port congestion, and market trends all generate massive amounts of complex information. Traditionally, this was handled by manpower. Today, AI processes this data, optimizing fleet planning, schedules, and stowage patterns. One shipping company reported that AI reduced a stowage planning task that previously took more than 6 hours to just a fraction of the time. AI is also being applied to safety. A French company developed AI-equipped cameras that can detect drifting objects in small vessels often missed by radar. In addition, car carriers now employ AI cameras that detect anomalies earlier than conventional systems, helping prevent major fire incidents. Another strength of AI is its predictive capability. Shipping markets are highly sensitive to macroeconomic and supply-demand fluctuations, making human forecasts prone to error. AI, however, can process vast amounts of real-time data to provide short and medium-term market forecasts. Going forward, AI and digital transformation in traditional industries, such as shipping and shipbuilding, are expected to advance further, enhancing both efficiency and safety across the sector. Global Port Congestion Q2 Review. Chronic in Europe, mixed in Asia, stable in North America. Port congestion trends vary widely by region. In Europe, congestion has become chronic. According to S&P Global, turnaround times from arrival to departure have lengthened, lowering efficiency. The Suez Canal restrictions have extended voyage times, causing concentrated vessel arrivals that overwhelm port capacity. Labor shortages, strikes, rail construction, and low water levels affecting inland transport have all contributed to backlogs. Meanwhile, regular calls by ultra-large vessels of 24,000 TEU have exposed the limits of quay walls and gantry cranes. In Asia, conditions differ by port. Some, like Singapore and Port Klang, have improved efficiency, while others, such as Lam Chabang and Map Ta Phut, have worsened. At Thailand's Lam Chabang Carry Terminal, truck gate-in/out wait times have exceeded 8 hours, reflecting investment levels and transshipment ratios. In North America, conditions remain relatively stable. At the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach, a reduction in vessel size has been offset by increasing the number of calls. In addition, a $365 million improvement project is underway, aiming to handle two 18,000 TEU ships simultaneously by 2029. In summary, global ports face diverse challenges: chronic congestion, improvement efforts, and long-term investment. As vital hubs of international logistics, ports are highly vulnerable to external shocks and infrastructure limits, keeping global attention firmly on their developments. What is methanol fuel? A decarbonization solution for next-generation container ships. Methanol is emerging as a next-generation fuel for ships. Its simple structure and liquid state at room temperature make it easy to handle, while existing infrastructure can be utilized. Global demand currently stands at about 100 million tons, projected to reach 500 million tons by 2050. Advantages include almost zero sulfur oxides and particulate matter emissions, along with up to 80% reduction in nitrogen oxides. Compared with LNG or ammonia, tank design is simpler and handling is easier for crew. However, challenges remain. Its energy density is about half that of heavy fuel oil, requiring larger tanks to achieve the same range, reducing cargo space. Moreover, conventional methanol is derived from natural gas or coal, limiting greenhouse gas reductions to about 10% versus heavy fuel oil. The key solution is green methanol, biomethanol, made from livestock waste or municipal garbage, offers significant emissions reductions. E-methanol, synthesized from renewable hydrogen and captured CO2, enables carbon-neutral operations. Still, cost and supply are the biggest hurdles. Green methanol costs 3 to 4 times more than conventional types, with production just beginning in Europe and China. Major shipping lines are signing supply contracts, but widespread adoption depends on cost reductions and stable supply systems. That concludes today's logistics news. The global logistics and energy landscape is changing rapidly, with each region and sector facing distinct challenges. Port congestion, next-generation fuels, and AI adoption are all critical issues tied directly to international trade and society. We will continue to monitor these developments closely. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
In this channel, I explain about international logistics knowledge for your better understanding. I hope this video will be a good support for your logistics job. If you have any shipment from Thailand or to Thailand, please feel free to contact me, Ino-san, anytime. Also, I'm very motivated to keep updating these videos. If you subscribe, press good, or comment anything. Well, thank you. See you next time.